Alright, so we're gonna jump right into this, guys. I haven't even finished editing the other video where I took the manifold and stuff off. Oh, we got the trash man here. But right now, I'll show you what's in the car. We're gonna head over to Triple Threat. It's Monday morning. If you guys have been paying attention to the gram, you will know that I'm bringing the kit today for install. I got most of the stuff, all the little stuff up here. Got the head unit in the intercooler back there. And then in the trunk, I just have a bunch of other stuff. The intake, the cooling assembly, everything pretty much. The relocation kit. I don't know exactly what's in every box, but it's all here. So yeah, can't believe I fit it all in the Mustang. Sorry for the truck, it's pretty loud, I know, but now the truck is gone. Yeah, so I didn't think I was gonna be able to fit everything in the Mustang. I thought I was gonna have to load the truck, but then I came outside today and it was raining. It's 85, 90 degrees yesterday and it rains today, California. But so yeah, I'm pretty much just got this loaded up, just gonna get ready, head over to Oscar's shop and drop the car off. And hopefully it's not 2 weeks, hopefully it's less than a week for them to do it, but you know, can't rush perfection. So let me go ahead and get ready and then we'll head over to Triple Threat right now. About to head over to Triple Threat, gonna meet Chris with the new Edge. Just got all my fluids and stuff right here, coolant, oil, AMSOIL filter. I'm actually switching up to AMSOIL 5W50 instead of 5W30 this time around. Got the head unit right here, the intercooler, all the other little miscellaneous spark plugs, injectors, gaskets, stuff down there, oil pump gears. So car's warming up right now. We're gonna head out to Triple Threat and I'll see you guys when I get there to meet Chris. I think he's bringing the Mustang, so that should be pretty cool. You guys will like that car, so let's get going. Chris, I think, is already there, so I'm sorry, Chris, if you're watching this. I'm in lag as usual, you know, but I'm just hoping I have everything. I still got to get the tensioners in the mail and the valve cover, like the breather kit that I got from LMR. It should be here actually today, so I'll either bring it, you know, later tonight or tomorrow morning or whatever before work again. They're not going to need the breathers for sure until everything's done. The tensioners they'll need, but hopefully they're not starting any assembly today. They just disassemble everything. So I'll check in with you guys right when I get over there, just right up the road, next light. So give me just 1 second. Look who it is. We got Briss. I hate these dips right here. Boom, boom. I always go slow over them and people get mad because they think I'm stopping, but I just don't have a big semi truck that I'm flying through here with. So, all right. I don't know if they're here just yet, but if anything, I'll just leave the car and bring the keys to them on my way to work. We'll see. Got some Corvette action. Shop's down here at the end. Alright, so they actually just told me to park the car next to his Corvette over here. I'm gonna come back with the keys later on today, so they can get started working on it. Chris over here, waiting. I don't know why he's making me walk this far. He's just gonna take me home, gonna get ready for work, get in the truck, probably bring the keys back over here so they can get started as soon as possible. And yeah, so let's go for a ride in the Sonic Blue. All right, let's hear that start up. Just put the stock headers back on, but it still sounds good. Got those black tips. Got those Brembo brakes right there on the new Edge, never before seen. Pretty clean. Damn. Are we gonna do some fucking burnouts or what? got that custom shift knob right here. Yeet. Got those Cobra mirrors. Don't do anything dumb, Chris. This is supposed to be a good day. Later, Chris. got home. All right, no car. That's a good sign. Gonna be driving Big Red for the next few days, but that's normal. I daily that, so no difference in regular lifestyle stuff. So yeah, let me just change, get ready for work, and then I'm gonna run back to the shop, and hopefully they're there so I can drop off the key. Hopefully they are, oh shoot. Hopefully they're at the shop by the time I get ready and head over there so I can just drop the keys off and then get started. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys after. All right, so we just got the triple threat. There's my man Oscar right there. Hey, they don't know if they'll start on it today, which is no big deal. I'm not in a huge rush. I have 2 cars, so I can still get back and forth to work. I don't even take that thing to work really to begin with, so it's really not that big of a deal. Quarantine's going on, so there's no meets to really do. But as soon as the quarantine's up, we're definitely going to be hosting another 2 sick meet. I'll be there. My car should be boosted by then, I imagine. So I just dropped it off. Oh, Napa, what up, brother? But yeah, so I'm just heading to work now. I will probably just check in with you guys when I go drop off like the tensioners and the breather kit that I got from LMR. I think both of them will be here today. At least one of them says for sure they'll be here today. So, I mean, I'll just check in with you guys then. Whew. Big boy about to be full bolt on. Oh, with the bumper coming off and everything, dog. Nice. Damn, with the shift knob. Ooh, sheesh. Looking there, that nice port job. Who ported this thing?
1320 Fox.
1320 Fox. Looks like you did a good job. I've seen pictures, so let's get going on this shit. Damn, Christian. Come on, bro. You got Big Nate pulling up. Woo. All right, so we got everything loosened up. We're just trying to get all these hoses off, and then the manifold and the injector should literally come up as one with the throttle body. It's being pretty easy. It's just still hot, so got to be careful with that. But hopefully Nate has some brew. I know we got some Corona in the fridge.
Don't look at my car. It's filthy stuff. Get out of here.
Where's TK?
I don't know. Did you hit him up?
Yeah, I did. I'm just kidding.
Brews.
He's at EMT.
Huh?
He's at EMT. Where's the bruise? Where's the bruise? Oh, where's the back seat, dog?
What?
Ew.
Don't show them.
All right, yeah. So we're almost halfway done, Nate.
Really?
Yeah, we just have to pull it off.
Well, damn.
So,
like you knew what
oh yeah. So let's get this handled. Once it's off, we'll look at the valves and see if they're clean or they're dirty. It's Christian's car. It'll probably be dirty. He doesn't take care of it.
It's gonna be green as dirty as fuck.
Green?
I was
It's
thinking
gonna
of this
be
greenhouse,
green.
bro.
It's gonna be green.
No. I was thinking of this right here. I was thinking of how to take this off.
Oh, you got it off?
Well, I got half of it off, so
Okay,
I'm guessing this other half just comes
We'll
off.
figure it out.
We'll figure it out.
All right, so we just got all the IMRC stuff unplugged. I think it should pull up now. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Just try not to get fuel everywhere. I already got coolant all over the fucking place, so let's see if it comes up. No problems. There we go.
Just to let you know, my shit's dirty as fuck. I do not take care of it.
So, got this handled. Now it's time to swap the fuel injectors. Gonna make sure everything's cleaned up, and we'll get started on the install. But that was a pain in the ass.
Yeah,
It's a
definitely.
Virgin engine. It has all these clips still. Mine doesn't have all the clips, so I could do this in like 20 minutes. Christian's car, not so much. All right, so let's check out the valves in Christian's engine. Okay, pretty clean. Okay, a little bit of gunk, I think. A leaf. We'll try to vacuum that shit out, bro.
Yeah.
So it doesn't go down in there. You got so much shit. Yeah, just from pulling it off, all this shit in here. We'll send like a little vacuum in there. But yeah, there's like leaves. I mean, it won't fucking damage it. I don't think it'll just burn them, but still.
Yeah.
All right, so yeah, let's clean this all up. Hopefully the leaves don't blow the engine. Yeah.
That's helpful.
Right, so we got the 18-man seated down. We just got to route all the lines. We got Nate here. Vince just pulled up a little bit ago. What are you drinking? Coronavirus. What are you drinking, Nate?
I switched to Corona.
Coronavirus. And Vince, what are you drinking?
Nothing.
Coronavirus.
He's high on life.
So yeah, we're just gonna route the hoses, bolt everything up, and then load the tune. Hopefully everything goes good, and we can get some data logging done or something. So. All right, so we're putting on the PMOS. We're pretty much done. Just gotta tighten up the battery stuff, and then hopefully load the tune up with no problems. Let's see if I can get this thing around. I'm gonna have to loosen it. Let's see. on, little guy. Alright.
2 sick customs.
Not yet. One day. Hopefully. That'd be sick. Thanks, Nate.
5-inch diameter PMOS.
On King Nav.
Yes, sir.
The King Nav out here.
Would do like one errand for like.
Alright, so we just added a little bit of coolant because some of it came out when I took the hose off. Just got the cord for Christian to upload the tune, so he's going to upload the Lothmon tune for E85, and we're going to get this thing started up, make sure everything's good, and then we'll go do some data logging, hopefully, and then eat, because this fool owes me some food for doing this. Alright, so we just got the PMOS on, the 18 Manny, 47-pound injectors. Christian's loading up the tune right now. Let's see. Alright, cool. Make sure you don't unplug anything when you're doing this, you guys, because, you know, if you unplug anything, roll the windows up or anything, it could mess it up. I've never seen it actually happen, but I've just heard horror stories. So as soon as this is done, all right. Well, as soon as this is done, we'll check in with you guys for the first startup. Hopefully everything is good, no leaks, no vacuum leaks or anything like that. So we'll be back.
Just fairing the DTCs.
All right, we're finishing up. Turnkey off. Is it done?
Well, programming complete.
All right, cool. Unplug it, prime the system a few times. Got the first startup, had a little bit of battery issues right there though. I didn't get it on video. Sounds okay to me. Is she idling good? Just the tire sensor lights normal?
Yep. No TPMS.
Alright, badass. How's it feel to be FBO, motherfucker?
Let's go test it out, bro.
Alright, some of you guys may not know, but the only payment I ask my friends when I work on their car is I drive it after it's done. So that's what's happening. Just finished tuning the car, did the bass tune. We did like an idle data log just now, so we're just gonna go drive it, make sure everything's good. So I'll have Christian film some of that. Alright, so we're gonna do the data log, 3rd gear, wide open throttle for Lothmon. Third. Let's pass this car, make sure we're good to go. And that feels good.
Oh shit. Some bumps. This feels good, dude.
yeah, no, it feels good. And this is only the base.
This is bass too, by the way.
Alright, so Lothmon's got the best damn service. Only about 40 minutes later, already sending him a new tune. We got some 90 Day Fiance going over here. If you haven't watched this, check it out. It's Gianna's favorite. Vince is pretty intrigued too, as you can tell. Eating that scrumptious in and out those animal fries. How does that taste, Vince?
Pretty fucking good.
10 out of 10?
Would recommend.
I would recommend.
What's up?
It's playing like.
Alright, we're going to do a little first gear rip. It feels fucking badass.
Oh man.
Alright, there he goes. Static life. Ooh. Just told him to try to be as quiet as you can so my neighbors don't hate me too much. Yeah. Full bolt on, boys. Full bolt on. But yeah, so I didn't even know this was really going to happen today. I knew I was going to put it on for him, but I didn't know when. So yeah, I dropped the car off this morning. Just did Christian's car, and I'll check in with you guys when I pick the car up. So.
Hello, everybody. Make sure you leave a like and a comment, and make sure you subscribe to Two Sick Videos. Great success! Vortex Superchargers incoming!
Christian left his wallet here. I don't know how he survived almost a whole week without it. But look who's here to get his shit. Big Chris. The other Chris.
Thank you.
Where you going now, baby?
I have something for you.
Oh, yes, I forgot. I need that cord. Yee-yee. I like how you don't put the window all the way down. You're too cool and shit. Disrespect. Later, Christian. All right, and a lot of you guys have been asking me about the numbers that I made on my NA setup since I had the NA setup. So I figure I told you guys I'll show you in this video. I've had it posted up right here, actually. Let's see if I can get a good shot on that. Peak power, 454, and torque was 365. This was on Cobra Jet long tubes, 47-pound injectors, and the Aloth Monsoon. I believe it's a Dynamite is the, let me see, yeah, right there. Dynamite, I think, is the brand. I think it's really similar to a Dyno Jet. I don't know to be exact, but there's the numbers. You guys can see it. Proof right there. It's laminated, everything. That's my legit numbers, so you guys can stop asking me. If you guys continue to ask, I'm going to send you to this video, so there you go.